I'm Jeremy and I'm a product specialist at Abstract. InstaLOD makes it easy to create beautiful ray-traced photorealistic imagery which can be used for product visualizations and marketing media. These visualizations can be generated right from within InstaLOD using our AMD Radeon ProRender integration. In this video, we're going to take a look at how easy it is to create stunning renders from native CAD data using InstaLOD Studio. Let's dive in. With InstaLOD Studio, importing native CAD files is as easy as dragging and dropping them into the viewport. In this example, we're importing a SolidWorks assembly file. However, InstaLOD supports over 30 native and portable CAD file formats. InstaLOD will automatically calculate the level of tessellation based on the scale and complexity of the incoming assembly. InstaLOD Studio's CAD Live link allows us to retessellate parts or assemblies to adjust the quality and shading of a result. Here you can see that by lowering the maximum deviation number, which is a quality threshold, and by adding a maximum edge length, we can increase the quality of the curvature and provide a more uniform distribution of polygons across the surface of the mesh. Now that the model has been converted from CAD NURBS information into polygons, materials can be created and assigned using the material editor. InstaLOD Studio's PBR material editor contains extended settings and channels to take full advantage of ProRender's capabilities. These properties include refraction, emission, sheen, subsurface scattering, reflection and isotropy, and coating. Here, we can use refraction to allow light to pass through the windshield of the vehicle, giving us realistic reflections and translucency. By lowering the roughness value, reflections will become sharper. Import cameras from any pre-made scenes, or create your own using the Create menu in the main menu bar. Adding cameras to the scene is not necessary for ray tracing, as the ray tracer will use the viewport's camera, but they are useful for saving multiple angles. When you're ready to begin ray tracing, click the Ray Tracing button in the toolbar. InstaLOD Studio's interface for Radeon ProRender is both intuitive and efficient, providing only the necessary settings needed to create stunning imagery without overwhelming complexity. Press play to begin rendering the scene. The ray tracing viewport will reflect any changes made in the InstaLOD Studio viewport. Once the composition and lighting of the scene are set, we can quickly tweak the render settings. To brighten up the scene, we can slightly increase the exposure. Adding a vignette will frame up the vehicle and draw our eye to the center of the image. Finally, to make the highlights pop, we can add a subtle bloom effect. InstaLOD Studio's ray tracing window makes it easy to dial in a few settings to get the desired look. Once the render is finished, we can choose to save the current channel or export all the AOVs generated from this render. Generating beautiful photorealistic imagery from CAD data has never been easier thanks to the AMD ProRender integration within InstaLOD. Now, to learn more about working with CAD data or how to take advantage of ProRender's powerful rendering capabilities inside of InstaLOD, subscribe here to our YouTube channel. Here you can find a large library of content covering the ins and outs of InstaLOD. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.